Tá Éadaoin agus Anna Éadaoin gur míle maigad as an Éadaoin dearna sin ón ma ansalt as the heel in Myrtle Beach a Eccles agus inis tá sé gaiirtasa agus Anna a chuirtlamsa ag Craiccon. Nis is convention do YouTubers ag Craiccon tá sé rachtal nis le 3 bliana agus bhí muidirne ag achan cin gotí seo cos leis an blion seo tá an seo lom héin. Tá má takeíonn nis ag the UCD seo leis go se ar siúl agus tá sib se chuirtlam dearhan gur vlog bar ghearbh san cin seo just an mar range tafaú ar achan tá Carlíonn seání. Tá siúlan is charja agus YouTubers eile eil agus buú le daoine ar a fásta agus cluisiint ó híine ar na panel éagsla is tá siúil go mór le so seálinn.
Like the amount of people in this room have been more views than we got on our first video, if that makes sense. And you've now got a group of people on a platform to share.
Of course, law. I'm aware of this, Mr. Ronan. So I will ask you one more time, Mr. Ronan, what is wrong with your passport? What are you hiding from a guard of honor?
Because something's changed, Mr. Ronan.
I don't know.
So you have the haircut, is it? You have the haircut. You're a handsome.
Yeah, so I think I feel safer than I have to say stuff.
But I thought we had to fight them, not tame them to eat them.
That's what you want to do. You made your decision.
It was a fight, it wasn't.
So inis tá an pinsel agus tá san dónar níféisi le bheitchéine mar go bhuiitnon so hashtag what is it?
Justice for Celia.
Justice for celiacs. Má hí tá an takeú the first bhí because tá sé uhí ag sa mis an pizza like yeah. Oh my god. Oh my yeah, sorry.
James.
Is mis sémas ó Michel agus Tom ag fécinint ar chaint faoi Éadaoin is bralum Éadaoin.
Yeah, okay. Mis fásta.
Agus
Oh, well, I mean, na búbanna.
Okay.
Lads.
Agus Gabriella.
Níl.
Just Sinead.
Just Sinead.
Okay.
Níl is cum alum Cúnas Bóthir Chaoimhe Banya.
Yeah.
The Sov Milish ar Boscon on Doris. Does that make sense? Yeah, this is Irish Leaving Cert poetry.
Gánta, I guess, but tá disaster go mission shop.
Just say tá.
Neil.
Tá!
Neil.
To Vicky Sessa. Sessa.
Tá Bronarum
Yeah.
ach Neil Bronarum.
Oh damn!
Asgwell.
Hashtag well.
Dacha.
Graham. A yam.
Le fada.
A yam.
Okay, so to Vicky, Anna has said the mission shop. Thanks. Neil 18 Uhi. Yes. just say yeah. Sha.
Queen
Sha. This is an touch Gruga.
Is Gurm's blue?
Yeah.
What's green?
Gloss.
And colour is dog, right?
Yeah.
Neil and gloss the dog.
Oh my god, what? A shame.
Paired?
Oh, well, toss it in. Let's see them.
Piece of yog.
Woo!
Bigger Éadaoin, ach níos fearr.
So everyone's going to be facing that way.
Cén Tanya Turtles Stubinish?
I'm not just a pretty face.
Oh gosh, I missed a tube in it.
Missed a tube.
Tá Éadaoin sa start ein tá.
It's pretty fun too.
Mr. Woohoo! Tamala, Emer agus Éadaoin so Jarntons hello dit. I guess we should go on the wall on this because I'm strict that was fun. Agus Bíonn Craiccon tá sa bháile an níis. Is an gur bhain sibh sult as an vlog sin agus gur bhain tosa Éadaoin sult as chuid daoine a Eccles. Tás gom nachnear na mar an taftú agus chéala go mbeadh se beidir níos fosa vlogaí ana agus tú net go chuid mhór vlogadors, mhór YouTubers on. A sílam him go se cynlainn níos deachra. Sílam mar go an urgent daoine an agus gminn tú geirí canslafa agus nach minn tú geirí taftaí anú gcónaí. Ach, ru a chuid taftú silgan gur bhain sibh sult as an bhéid gnéar na tafaú air. Aréis Éadaoin bhain ma ansalt as an vlog sin America agus tá siúil is an chead cin agus silgan gur bhain ahan salt as an chin seo. Na déna go dearmid mu Lanston ar Facebook, ar Twitter, ar Instagram, ar YouTube a chola et gur mí maigah a gcónaí as mar go tateachta agus sa silgan go bhecha me go luisibh aréis. Slán!